Alright, magandang araw sa kanilang lahat, ano? Game 2 kanina, nag-iisang game kanina, Minnesota Timberwolves against the GSW without their superstar Stephen Curry. Ang magandang sa ginawa ng Minnesota Timberwolves is bumalik yung kanilang depensa. And kahit wala itong si Curry sa kabila, no? They know kung gaano kagaling itong si Steve Kerr sa kanyang adjustment, and isa sa napakagandang nakita natin sa Minnesota Timberwolves is yung never nilang in-underestimate itong Golden State. Kahit wala si Curry, they played as a team, they work hard, I mean they played hard. Yung kanilang depensa napakahigpit kanina. First is 13-0 start. Isang napakalaking gap, ano? It was very hard for the Golden State to overcome itong mahinang start nila kanina. And dahil yun sa team play ng Minnesota Timberwolves, they are long and athletic and no flashy moves, no fancy moves. They played as a team regardless kung nandyan si Curry or not. And they treated Buddy Hield, ano? They know that ang opensa ay manggagaling ito kay Buddy Hield, and I think he was shut down dito, ano. So Minnesota played as a team. Sa stat natin, naka 33 assist. Yung play kanina, sabi ko nga, very technical. Itong si Randall, McDaniels, Edwards, they keep attacking the rim. At ang naging leader kanina itong si Randall, ano, pag naka-zone kasi ang Golden State Warriors, and kapag sila ay dinudumog sa loob, it's an easy kick out sa labas. And gumana po, madaming outside shooting, or maganda ang percentage ng outside shooting ng Minnesota Timberwolves kanina. Attack and kick